Okay, I guess we're on. Hello, YouTube, fellow campers, subscribers. Today, I'm going to go camping and to try out all the new gear that I've shown you. What I like to do is try each piece out from the lights all the way up to the tent. And I will hopefully get back with you and let you know if it's a pass or a fail. Go through your gear, see what you really need, and weigh the options and go as light as you can. You're going to need your lighting system, candles, flashlights, that's a given. Your tent, your food, your sleeping gear, that's a given. Everything else that you think you might want or need, you can weigh and see if it would work for you. What I'm talking about is rope, you might need that. Bungee cords, you definitely might need that. Tie downs, carabiners, paracord bracelets, take that with you. Take extra paracord. Take a can opener, P38, if you have cans. And take some extra wads of cotton in the bottle with Vaseline and see if it works for you. Use your Sparkies and see if you need better ones. If you do, we can recommend them. Pad and a pen. And just anything else you can think of that you need. Get your medications. Let's see here. Sunglasses. I forgot and negated to do this. I got this on eBay. These are really neat. They're reflective, refractive sunglasses. And they're a couple bucks from eBay. You can go to different places of the Army Navy stores. Get a couple pair. They do work amazingly well. These are great. Grab a few pair. Polarized. Protect your eyes. And you'll be good to go with that. Take a sewing kit with you. Take incidentals like scissors or a funnel for pouring liquids, your toiletries. And that's about it. Do what you can and have fun camping. See you next time.